Hi all, welcome to the first video in our robotics learning journey, where we will be showcasing projects using the Bonic robotic kit. Today we will be showing you how to make a piano using the BBrain and drag and drop programming. Let's start. Take your BBrain and power it on using this button. Then a red LED lights up. Now let's program the brain. For that, we use the app called Codeit. You can go to the Codeit from the Bonic website or install it from the App Store or Play Store. The link for the Bonic website is given in the description below. Now let's get started. For that, go to Creator. There you can see a small Bluetooth icon. Click that. Then a window opens up with all the Bluetooth devices. Select Bonic and pair it. This blue LED lights up once it's connected. Now let's program. First, go to the music section, then drag and drop the piano. If we click the piano, you can change the color or increase the size, which means you can customize as you like. After that, click in the bottom. You can see a run button. Click that. Let the program upload. Now let's test it. And there you have it, a piano made using the BBrain and programmed using codeit. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more robotics project. Thanks for watching. Until next video, take care and bye-bye.